Welcome to collegedekho.com videos. Tucked in the pristine, pollution-free and lush greenery of Durgapur lies an epicenter of culture and heritage, yet boasting of a booming industry. Let's embark on a journey to unearth a gem, the Sanaka Educational Trust Group of Institutions or SEDGOI in Malandihi. Kolkata is about 176 kilometers away from the campus. Established in 2008 under the aegis of Sanaka Educational Trust, SEDGOI is affiliated to MACOT and is approved by AICTE and DTE and Department of Higher Education, Government of West Bengal. SEDGOI prides itself in its approach and vision to education to match a student's interests and career goals in the current market scenario. The focus of SEDGOI is to challenge students to think, argue and act with the intent of securing a sustainable future.
In our Research and Development Center, we have developed a fuel-efficient car for which we have applied to the Government of West Bengal for patent approval. On getting that approval, we will be in touch with the car manufacturing companies for development of the car for use by the people. There are other things also we are trying to develop, like drone. We imparted efficient system in the plant itself, in the college itself, and we are trying to get the more involvement of the students along with faculties and in consultation with the Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute situated at Durgapur to develop all these systems.
SEDGOI offers 4 disciplines divided into 4 schools, namely Institute of Engineering and Industrial Technology, Rani Rashmoni School of Architecture, Swami Vivekananda School of Diploma Polytechnic and Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Medical Sciences. The Institute of Engineering and IT boasts of ultra-modern classrooms. The labs, in particular, are well facilitated with the latest in technology with a dedicated staff monitoring and teaching them at every step.
Computer laboratory in particular has been accredited with zero defect facility by TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, and lot of examinations are being conducted by them here.
One highlight of this college is that students not only get good academic classes out here, but we have industrial tours for the students. We have different projects for the students. They are even sent for summer intensive programs. Different faculty members from the industries do come and give lectures out here. Students of Sanaka Educational Trust have shown brilliancies in their academics, and also they take part in different workshops. One of the workshops was organized by IIT Kharagpur. 2 students of Sanaka Educational Trust have given outstanding performance. They have taken award from Mamata Banerjee, the CM of West Bengal, for outstanding performance in Utkarsha Bangla in 2016.
The Institute of Engineering and Industrial Technology offers BTech courses in Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electrical and Communications Engineering, and Computer Science Engineering. One of the prestigious colleges in Eastern region, Swami Vivekananda School of Diploma Polytechnic offers free career counseling and guidance program for diploma students.
I have always have an interest in cars, machines, and Sanaka is the perfect place to fulfill my dreams.
Swami Vivekananda School of Diploma offers polytechnic courses in Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, and Electrical Engineering. The Rani Rashmoni School of Architecture offers 5 years program in Bachelor of Architecture and consists of rigorous academics and fieldwork.
Rani Rashmoni School of Architecture is the first private architecture college in West Bengal, and it has been set up by SEDGOI. So here we have all the infrastructure facilities which is given by any premier colleges. We have all the best classrooms and we have projectors. We have a very good library. We have workshops and we have material lab. We have a very good faculty who are very experienced, and they are from colleges like Sir JJ College of Architecture, School of Planning and Architecture, CEPT Ahmedabad, IIT Kharagpur, and BIT Meshra. And we have a 6 months training also. It is part of the curriculum.
Rani Rashmoni School of Architecture offers a 5 years course in Bachelor's in Architecture. Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Medical Sciences is facilitated with a world-class medical infrastructure to cater medical students to patients from the local area with state-of-art world-class laboratory facilities. Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Medical Sciences offers Bachelor in Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery, MBBS programs. SEDGOI aims at creating high-quality professionals who would be instrumental in developing cutting-edge technology and lead to knowledge creation for value addition to society.
We have both government and private companies who visit our college every year. Naming them, firstly I would like to take the name of Indian Navy, Indian Army, NBCC, then we had HSCL India, and coming to the private sectors, we have Amazon India, we have Hiranandini Constructions, we have JVM India, we have Kalkasoft, we have Globusoft, we have New India Electricals from Bangalore, we have JBM, we have our students who are working across India and also in abroad.
Besides these, SEDGOI offers a naturally peaceful environment conducive for the overall development of the student.
The first thing that comes into my mind is that this campus is a ragging-free campus, so we feel secure and safe. The college campus is pollution-free and safe. It is situated in a green locality.
We have many indoor games like table tennis, carom, chess, etc. and outdoor games like as cricket, football, badminton, volleyball. Apart from this, we are attached to a social service club named as SEDGOI Social Service Club.
So, whether you are a dreamer wishing to take the world of entrepreneurship with rage, or an aspiring student budding to become a world-class professional, SEDGOI provides you with every opportunity. Visit collegedekho.com to discover, prepare and achieve admission in your dream college.